Computing and analyzing acid test and current ratios. We have three cases, A, B, and C, and we're supposed to put together a current ratio calculation first, and then our acid test ratio calculation. So the calculation for current ratio would be current assets for each of these three cases divided by current liabilities, and that would give you your current ratio. So for case A, it'll be the total current assets of $44.90 divided by the total current liabilities of $23.35 to get a current ratio of 1.92. The same thing can be done for case B, current assets $4,072 divided by $11,768 current liabilities to get current ratio of 3.49. And then finally for case C, we'll take the current assets of $81.80, divide that by $17.80, and get a current ratio of 4.60. So based on current ratio, it looks like the best current ratio is case C because higher is better. What this current ratio really means is that for case C, they have $4.60 worth of current assets for every dollar they have of current liabilities. Let's go on to the next part of this problem. Next part of this problem, they want you to calculate using the same information for case A, B, and C, the acid test ratio. The acid test ratio is a stricter, more tight measure, and it takes the quick assets, which in this problem are cash, short-term investments, and current receivables. It does not count inventory or prepaid expenses. So for case A, it'd be $940, and then that looks like it'd be it for the quick assets. So $940 divided by the same current liabilities gives us an acid test ratio of 0.40 for case A. Case B, again, cash, short-term investments, which are zero, and current receivables, looks like would be total quick assets of $22.18. That's divided by the current liabilities of $11.68 to give us an acid test ratio of 1.9, which is better. And then last but not least, we have case C, where we have quick assets of totaling up to be $25.80 divided by current liabilities of $17.80 gives us a acid test ratio of 1.45. Now, which company is doing better with respect to being able to pay their bills? And depending on which ratio you look at, current ratio or acid test ratio, the better of the two would be the acid test ratio. So between these two, if you just looked at current ratio, case B is the best. If you look at the acid test ratio, case C was the best right here. Case B is the best for acid test ratio, and overall, this is the better measure. And so the company's doing the best job is case B.